Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, fourth video, we will continue solving the questions of section 1.2. Yesterday or in the previous video, we solved number 1, number 3 and number 5. Now I will solve with you question number 9 and number 11. Let's number 9. Justin has a note of 5,000 dated October 17, 2014. The note is due in 120 days with interest at 7.5%. If Justin discounts the note on January 15, 2015 at a bank charging a simple interest rate of 7%, what will be the proceed? Notice here, he give you the year. Try to divide it by 4, but if we divide by 4, you will have a decimal point, not an integer, exact integer. This is why February, if we have month February, it will still 28, and this is not a leap year. Here, number 9, a face value of, in order to solve the question in order to solve the question in an ordered way, write the given data in the question. Face value 5,000, term 120 days. Notice the red one that I write plus 3, which is 123 days. Interest rate 7.5%. Discount rate 15 January 2015. Discounted interest rate 7%. First of all, we begin with 17 of October, but we don't know number of months. Then take the term and divide it by 30. You will have approximately 4 months, but you don't, is it maybe exactly 4 months or maybe less than 4 months or greater than 4 months. Here timeline, draw it 17 months till 17 October, 17 November, 17 December, 17 January, 17 February. Notice the red one. In order to count the space between October to November 1 month, between November and December 1 month, between December and January 1 month, between January and February 1 month, which are 4 months. Here, the maturity date, we have 17, we stop here at 17 February. Then it will be add 3 for Canadian. You will have a 20 of February and the term 120 plus 3, 123 days. Maturity value is equal. Here we consider this as B, proceed, since we have an interest rate. In case we don't have, as like question number 1, we don't have interest rate, then this will be, its face value will be the maturity value is B multiplied by 1 plus RT, 5,000 multiplied by 1 plus I will here write it again, 1 plus 7. This is no need for it. RT and here plus 7.5 over 100 over 100 over 100. You will have here the value will be 5,126.3699. Discounted period, you must count since you have discounted date at 15 of January, which is discounted date. Discounted period will be from this, from here you will have from 17 of February multiplied by plus 31 of January minus 15, which is 33. Then B proceed equal S over 1 plus R1T1. Then you will have 33 over 365 multiplied by discounted. Notice here discounted time, discounted rate, 7 over, which is given here, 7%, 7%. Then use it here. You will have $5,994.13. Notice that it's always greater than the proceed. For returning back to your question, here question number 11, we will have on question number 11. On August 16, a retailer buys goods worth $2,000. If he pays cash, we will get 3% cash discount. Now you will have, it means that taking the discount quantity, it will be 2,000 multiplied by 3 over 100, you will have 60. Then the proceed will be 2,000 minus 60, $1,940. To take the advantage of this, he signs 60 days, add a 3 for Canadian, non-interest bearing note, then at a bank that discounts a note at 6% simple interest rate. What should be the face value of this note to give the retailer the exact amount needed to pay cash for the goods? Here, since S equal B multiplied by 1 plus RT, you have T as 63 over 365, R discounted, which is T 6 over 100, B 1,940. You will have S equal 1,960.071. Here if we want to solve number 13, page 14. You fund needs to have 3,500 in 10 months time. You have, if she can earn 6% simple interest. This means that it will be what? This will be S. This will be S. How much does she need to invest today? How much does she need to invest on July 31 if the 3,500 is needed in 10 months? We will solve number 13 here. Number exercise. I will change it. Exercise number 13, page 14. S equal $3,500. T equal 10 months. R equal 6%. A. B equal S over 1 plus RT, which is 3,500 over 1 plus 10 over 12 multiplied by 6 over 100. You will have $333.333. B. Here draw timeline. Draw timeline. You will have here 31 July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. He says in the question number, how much does she need to invest? We must calculate the proceed here. To invest on July 31 if the 3,500 is needed in 10 months. Then you must calculate 10 months. You must calculate 10 months. Here calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now number of days, this is 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31, January 31, February 28. Since we divide by 4 and we find it is not integer. 31 March, April 30, May 31. Number of days equal. Here 31 and 31, 31 minus 31, it will be 0 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31. You will have here 300 here, which is how many days? 304 days. You can calculate it in another way. Number of total days in the year 360, 65. Cancel the other month and you will find it. Find the value 304 days. B equal S over 1 plus RT. You will have here S 3,500 multiplied by 1 plus 6 over 100 multiplied by 304 over 365. You will have 3,333.42 $. It's easy example, but you must pay attention that you must memorize all the month in order and number of days. Here you will have moving here, but notice the arrow. Here B, you will find it, and here S, which is 3,500. Here, other questions I will leave it for you as a homework, and we will now begin with section 1.3, but this section is talking about equations of value. All financial decisions must take into account the basic idea that money has time value. Money has time value. In other words, receiving 100 today dollar is not the same as receiving $100 1 year ago, or nor receiving $100 1 year from now. 1 year ago, today, not like 1 year before or 1 year after. Now, if there is a positive interest rate, which is R, in a financial transaction involving money due on different dates, every sum of money should have an attached date at the date on which it falls due. That is, the mathematics of finance deals with dated values. This is one of the most important facts in the mathematics of finance. Illustration: at a simple interest rate of 8%, $100 due in 1 year is considered to be equivalent to 108 in 2 years, since $100 would accumulate to 108 in 1 year. In the same way, 100 multiplied by 1 plus 0.08 to the power negative 1 will be 92.59, would be considered as equivalent sum today. Another way to look at this is to suppose you were offered 92.59 today, or 100 1 year from now, or 108 2 years from now. Which one would you choose? You have here cash money today, or this is after 1 year from now, or 108 2 years from now. We will see most people would probably take the 92.59 today because it is money in their hands. It's correct. However, from a financial point of view, all three values are the same. Or are equivalent, since you could take the 92.59 and invest it for 1 year at 8%, after which you would have 8% dollar. This 8% dollar could then be invested for 1 more year at 8%, after which it would have accumulated to $108. Note that the three dated values are not equivalent as some other rate of interest. In general, we compare dated value by the following definition of equivalence. Let's see this definition and we will stop this video and continue in the next video. X dollar due on a given date is equivalent to a given simple interest rate R to Y due T years later. If Y equal X multiplied by 1 plus RT, or X equal Y over 1 plus RT, Y multiplied by 1 plus RT to the power negative 1, which is the same, but notice here multiplication or division. Thank you very much for your listening, and see you next video.